menya bibini me tu me hwe obi o hedai obema o man atumpon na makana sem so me mpesu azem wan pio enso me kana sem
men kasa nko akiri emse anuamu bi adika kasa na amamuo so wo ka amamuo e compare MPP ni NDC yen sati free amambani dada akofo penso amambani dada abedi akonya no yemfa ni 2000 ena oba power na 2001 oba no owura Lawrence ena hand over man na owura Lawrence hand over man no ni won shi Lawrence ni shi bebre gugu akwamu amoye Lawrence Sam ne o Kashankari kofo hu se Kashankari no emmoa omanfo no timamufo no mobrofo no uko grassroots na people find it difficult to afford cash and carry system and on company for the health insurance health insurance no buani bebre on say politics policy and policy and a infrastructure and policy and infrastructure and it's all you be to say oh yeah infrastructure is not a policy. Uye bibi ti say usi hospital infrastructure is not a policy. Na bibi ya ti say health insurance a policy. Bibi ti say school feeding is a policy. Bibi ti say free maternal care is a policy. Na sa niema miki kan nyina no ye nyina ye bedi adanse say MPP amamu na dis anhwehwe na ba Ghana. Omo na dis school feeding ba ye free maternal care health insurance ba ye yanka policy and this passe omo initiative sa policy omo na omo initiative ebi ni ho sa omo policy omo ba ye bi ni Kashankari yambu say won say Kashankari no eboa omanfo ni nyamfa so papa viri so amwa
oh uhwemu dia amampanimfo bebre aba jeje penso me manto abada kufo penso kufo be free ho na mu na me sha asese me to aba ni na kufo ado ba na bet uhwe ye mazi ha ne ye wo sa dada mi so nyina ne sha asese de ba ha ne abetena ha ne so ya be so adwuma ni ma ye brothers me na de ne ma ba ne ye gina ma yi ne ma no ne aton uhwe amampanimfo ma ba ni nyina obi a be ye bi bet ebi mu de ye chen ebi mu because yo mazi ha ne wo hwe tama Mills pencil Professor Mills nyame fa na kransie ye ne pencil duty ani etua yesai cars duty ani etua na wosoro mahama baaye na duty no wosoro pa bet hwe na akufu ado baaye a enema ahyase e ba fom kakra chen me fam de me hu ni ze enema ba fom chen first no
sesi e kasi echiche osika echiche sika wagana ha mimi nu mie ne anya bi o ye nya bi nyanso ye wade bu ha ye de ba ematimamufu efra bibi national benefit me ti magazine ha me nya mfaso ni bi no office bi o mi kro nso me nya mfaso ni bi eno ne abanya o show care o show concern to the citizens yampa abanya o be spectator na no papa ne kan de no was say don't be a spectator, be a good citizen. And said ye nyina ti kroma ye hwe ye koi amamuo ya di tutun said ye wukanya obi nka wan kasa hwe soro kura kasa o hwe wiem kasa kire wo
ye na no kura no meme ame o mazi ye de no hu hia me sense some policy bi wo ha e ba aban bi enu obeba obeyi sika hye obotom se bia anopa beji e bia sika hye mbotomi beji 20 cedis 100 cedis fadi dida baby a unua bi wo akurase ana se obusuani bi wo baabi a na se policy bi ba na se eboa ema ono no ho ye den eto no wo ho a ye mfro fa na mi school fees o na e bia we sa ne ma no na eboa ma aman ye den eyeye
mabani do mahama ayeba yi otima for policy bia ma e de no de ba ye ono na tu na num tuo ka se ono no betua allowance ama school for no nurse for there ene kan Ghana for omonto abantia no pani nkasa sa wo pani o serve edipa enti ose da bia ma o kasa no eye kasa emu yetu na kwaye te sebi odi abufuo ana se umma power no influence mo a sometimes no udivieti o ke kansem bia wan kasa no ko tenasi bia na man kasa yi o
enti se Akufo-Addo ba ye me no ade aboa me kese se wo ka ye esiwo ya Toyota ye esiwo ya first na ne yi ne be 25000 be ne abafom so ene wanyi kura betima yi ne be 21 mu ho na ese ne ma bi abafom na we school you know free education na aba na abeboa ye bebre because me offer bebre me nyini bi asa de bet me sisters bebre wo ho a me offer bebre anka we offer me school fees offer me say ndi sa niam na aba no ama ye ho ato ye kakra wo mazi ha because minim papa bi kra wa akira ono so ye fita adwuma na so ba me ha wa adwuma etie kasa no se na me pa nya school free education ya anka me bank obeda wako school so asema waka kire me no the back Wesley girls I think so be wie this year kra oka me zenga be na ne back school
nanu yo mampani ba krom ha o ti asema opem so waka kire no ye wura nana onkwaso avo ona na me chia mu ona na chia wo no ya me tu nkwam ya me tu sika jo ko fi nso nkwam what say here can you obetimi aye nya ntokwa can you obetimi aye anti politics is not just a fracas and acquire that be politics is not like that. Say what you do. If I come, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. Then vote for me. This is my policy. This is my and say I'm better me. If it say a situ nipano no mu say ebeboa, they will go and vote for you. They will go and vote massively.
Because this time any more than there. On say yare yes abebo mu na mani mu mayedin. But school semono ama nipa e relieve because nipa no call school na eden ongo tia school fees ne niema bebre and as spare pass in semono so ye adwuma ye ya no no niema aba form kakra first na beauty ni si wosoro ne niema bi no say aba form kakra yes ndimi ni say Akufo-Addo aban de me ne de wo heze si ya current ne de mahama ne Akufo-Addo aban ne mienu de hu say Akufo-Addo aban ne ye chen mahama aban no
Obampani Kofo the policy be the school feeding, free maternal care, health insurance. Papa Obampani also holds the same about the free SHS. Or the buy any to the Ghana high purpose and year is too early, it's too early. Only me say I say right thing should be done at the right time. What you shouldn't wait for the right time. This is the right time. Enti e buy kakra e more than the so nyame ada roma. But me I initiate I think say koso kama bibi koso school yi say facilities no omo sisi bebre minim say free next year kon there I don't think say double track there is still be there will be no double track because facilities you know are dominating
a new road kwan so ba won am so ntem futuro bi anya otirim a wo de abetena ha ma ha ayi betena so mills by ayi by mahama by so na na do by na kwan ya esi ya e pakika esi on ze fin kwan no ba de san ke fia ye hu bebre
yes e efre bibi amfo na kire no to aso se aduane no ye be ma bi ade ebo odin wo durase yo mahama nyame ada woro mo watwam fie na ye nyina okrom ha wo de men kase fie watwam fie nan ye hu nyem nsise odi gu kwa mu hwe ni police odi ba dumso policy ye mbu say hu say does dumso help the citizens of the nation dumso policy on the buy. You enjoy doing so, but we're still paying high amount of bills. I don't know a boy or man for.
Emra mimi hu say amanya nko ye tama kufuo free surama yaba no. Hu say Ghana din kwa akiri ye. Ghana din kwa mana no ti say obia o abroje kwa ati Ghana so Ghana ni kwa akiri kakra bet emra amanyo no mani anye abato ho bio ye tama Akufo free so no wa mo ama MPP abana nto mu nyuma pa ne so say satem no mu I think say 2008 2009 NDC efa akonya no satem no ne aba satem was my first time so me to aba ai niema e call run off ne ho nkro no ba time sem ne niema bebubo mu no Samre ne tama me to aba me ankasa de me nu me ho se Ghana ni am to aba because na nya easy my so that me Ghana economy ma fine and sanom za de ebe ko tu ho ahwan de ben nzem bebira ama wo man ni masa ye den afi e ne ma se sha ase hihye ye ndie bompa ye se ne ma be ye
e bra John Mahama be dia amamu no so no 2012 na 2012 ade be si wo Ghana it was very very sad na mintimi nkasantia Supreme Court mintimi da mintimi nyesa Supreme Court William de Bae and Akufo-Addo Kazembi or say I respect the ruling or I accept the ruling or I am agree with the bench or I accept the ruling but I'm not agree with the ruling or I'm not agree with them. And Akufo-Addo can say that. And Akufo-Addo in terms of law were a legal luminary. And Akufo-Addo and he know inside law. Share yen starting free 2012 asemi call court in summer by ye and ne what china say ni say kikiri ye wura tugu ba say he that time no on the present day case no do ruling ba asema send the number of days he did take asema internally no almost spend 4 months and a year a bar out no 8 months it take 1 year but a ruling for so a buy a year so me penning for or man dio ye mutum say me penning for and we cannot go against their ruling and we will respect their ruling until a year nyina ye hu ye justice Doche Kazembi okoye workshop bi or say opposition leader Nana Akufo-Addo Kazembi or say he is not agree with the bench but he has accepted the ruling.